Here's Open Chatting app, and you can see how it looks like. The idea of it is that you add your contacts, but they are all anonymous. Everyone is anonymous, and new conversations from friends and friends of friends are added here. So you can just send some messages here, and then just enjoy these conversations, which are very kind of relaxed or anonymous. And then you can just start a new group conversation. You can add your friends here, but you need to invite your friends from your contact list first. Then you can just send, and then here you have settings. You can delete your account if you're still sensitive about your data. You can see all the blocked users. Then you can again connect your contacts, and yeah, there you have it. And then you can message here. So that's basically the idea. That's the app. This is how it's called, like Open. Let's be open, chat honestly with friends. And as you can see, it's growing in charts and social networking. It's numbered 167, so it's like in top 200 apps. Be open and honest about yourself. Be kind and supportive of others. And it brings more liberation because of this transparency, and because of that everyone is anonymous, and you can just open up some anonymous conversations with your friends. I don't know if it's a good idea in all occasions. Maybe sometimes it can even ruin your friendships, but there you have it.